let's talk Gado Gado. Gado Gado means to mix. It's a popular Indonesian dish that is loved by all, primarily because of this right here, which is a peanut butter sauce. Actually, I made mine with cashew butter. You can make it with any nut butter that you want. It's basically all the vegetables arranged beautifully. You can or cannot have a protein with it. It's totally up to you. Typically, it would be like tempeh or tofu. I have a little bit of chicken if we want to do that. And it comes with potatoes normally. I've done sweet potatoes just to ramp up the nutrition and the beautiful color. And of course, they're sweet. They're so delicious. But basically, I have everything together. I already made my sauce. It just took a couple of minutes. And this is how I made the sauce. I just add my cashew butter or peanut butter to a small saucepan, and then I grate in my ginger and my garlic. At that point, I'm adding some Thai red curry paste, which is super flavorful, and then some gochujang or any other chili paste for a kick of heat. Add coconut aminos, then add a squeeze of lime and your coconut milk. At this point, you're going to want to bring it just to a simmer, and then as it cools, thin it out with some water so it's a drizzling consistency. You can make the sauce ahead. It can keep in your fridge for a few days, and it's really good over everything. If you've ever had chicken satay, this is kind of like the sauce in chicken satay. It is so beautiful, and that's what makes this dish so well loved by all ages. So I'm going to start assembling and use whatever veggies that you want. And I'm going to start with a little bit of spinach down. Baby spinach, I love it, love it. Then some cabbage for some gorgeous color. I love a little red cabbage. And I have some thinly sliced red sweet pepper. That's out of my garden, folks. And then I have green beans that I just blanched about 3 minutes and then put them in some cold water to stop the cooking process. These are out of my garden too, that's so fun. And then I have some cucumber. I just kind of made it into matchsticks. It's just very pretty that way. And then I want to add my sweet potatoes. I just roasted these in the oven. If you wanted to use regular potatoes, you could do that too. Little tiny marbled potatoes. The new potatoes would be really good with this. I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken in mine. I do love a good crispy tofu, but we're gonna have some chicken in this instance. If you so desire, you could do a little bit of jalapeno. I'm gonna add just a few slices for some heat and some color. Although this beautiful peanut sauce has a tiny bit of heat in it from gochujang. And then I have boiled eggs. I did these in my Ninja Foodie on the pressure cook setting. Nice golden yolk. Oh, it's really pretty. All right, then we go in with the peanut sauce. I don't think I've forgotten anything. I have to double check. Because you see, it's just basically assembly. And you can have this warm, you can have this cold, and it's a lovely meal. And I don't want to be stingy with the sauce because it's really good. And I'll put the sauce at the table too. Okay. And then I think a squeeze of lime is appropriate. Oh yeah. And then some fresh mint. Mint or basil over this, phenomenal. That, folks, is a beautiful bowl of Gado Gado, perfect for a hot summer evening. And I'm just gonna dig in with a little bit of the peanut sauce, try to get as many things as I can. Oh, wow. Zesty, herby, fresh, creamy. It has all the things going on. This is absolutely delicious. You've got to give it a try. It's really easy. And the recipe is on tkfoodie.com. Check it out.